In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Wi-Fi network from your iPhone. So in this video, we are going to look at two different methods. One for Wi-Fi networks that are nearby, another one for Wi-Fi networks that are out of range. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. So first unlock your iPhone and open the settings app. Inside settings, tap Wi-Fi. Now make sure Wi-Fi is turned on at the top. Now find the network that you want to remove. Next to the Wi-Fi name, you will see small eye icon. Tap on that icon. From this page, tap on forget this network. Tap forget again to confirm. And through this, that Wi-Fi network has now been removed from your iPhone. Now, what happens after forgetting a network? Your iPhone will no longer auto connect to that Wi-Fi, and if you want to use it again later, you will need to enter the password again. Now you can repeat these same steps to remove any unwanted Wi-Fi networks. And now we will remove Wi-Fi networks that are out of range. So first of all, search passwords, then tap on Wi-Fi. You will see a list of all previously connected Wi-Fi networks. Tap on any network, then tap forget this network, and in this way you can remove the Wi-Fi even if you're not currently in range. And that's how you can delete any Wi-Fi network from your iPhone. If you think this video is helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.